Welcome to SK Creatives YouTube channel, guys. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about how to increase the Geo internet speed. So I'm using almost 1.5 year. So from past 1 year I saw the internet speed was very good than any other network. So I'm getting very good internet speed. So just loved it. Okay, guys. And after that, almost completing 1 year, I found that internet is very slow. It's not even working like 2G also. That much slow I got it. So I waited 1 day and 2 day and 3 day. I thought maybe I have a problem with my device. I have checked with inserting another network like Airtel and all. So I tried, I'm getting good speed in the other network, but what happened to my Geo? So I'm just worried. After that, I searched the many videos in the YouTube. So while going YouTube and searched so many things, I saw the video. Just need to go to settings and so go to settings, SIM card, mobile network, Geo speed, and go to access point names. And here need to set the new APNs. So they have said many settings need to do. So I have tried, but it doesn't working that much. Very little bit I can see the difference, or not even that also. So there in the YouTube I can see that set the name, APN type, and server name. So how they showed, I have tried everything, it's not even working that much. So after that, even many of the people those who are using Geo, they have tried these settings and all, hope they didn't see anything changes. So for them I'm doing this video, so how I got resolved my issue. So I just went to the Geo app and I contacted the Geo customer care and I have raised the complaint, and they have checked my location, everything, and they said the users in our area became more than ever. Means whatever earlier I'm getting the more speed internet, that I'm very less users, so that's why I'm getting a better internet speed. But after that I get to know that in the in our area, the more than the frequency limit, the people are using the SIM cards, same network. So the network's frequency got very low. That's why I'm getting very slow internet. So that I came to know. After that I requested to what to do and whether I can switch to another network, everything I discussed. After that they said to wait for one week or 2 weeks, they said. After that they did increased the frequency in our area. The technical department contacted me and they have asked the address location, everything, the exact location where I'm staying and which network is connected, everything. After that they have increased the frequency level. After that I'm getting better, okay, normal like 3G internet speed, like that I'm getting. So for you people, I will suggest you to open the My Geo app, and here you can see that Geo K. So when you turn right, you can find out troubleshoot. Click here, and this need to do, definitely this will be working better than that. Whatever you can see the other YouTube videos in the they will tell you to go to settings, do settings, blah blah blah, everything that doesn't work. I have tried many times, but when you're getting good speed, that time when I change the settings, that time it's working. But when it's completely that internet is not total working from more days, that time I got to know that the less frequency is having in our area. So click on My Geo internet, My Geo connection. So it's too slow, guys. So now only it's happening. Earlier it was okay, normal speed is there. But really guys, I'm not getting the 4G speed right now. And here you need to select the internet speed on mobile is slow. What do I do? Click here. So the internet speed on mobile is too low. Do what do I do? You can see in the top notification bar that I'm getting 21.8 kbps per second. So it's less than 2G guys. So everything is okay. So signal strength, this is the issue where I'm getting. So the mobile network state, mobile is data is on, Jio SIM card inserted, Jio SIM is, and plan high speed limit, everything I have, ping websites. Oh, signal strength. So here you can see that red mark that you are in low signal area. So this is what is the issue guys. In our area I'm getting the less frequency. When I move to another area where they have a good frequency area, there I'm getting good internet speed. So when you guys need to do here, just go to live chat and chat with your customer care and raise the complaint in your area to increase the frequency level. After that you will get, but for them they will take nearly 1 month to get the speed to increase the frequency level. So when you're far from the city, definitely those people not having any issue like this, but those people are staying in the city, so many people are using the Jio SIM, so those people will get this issue. The speed test internet speed is, see guys, 0.88 mbps. Your speed is below threshold limit. For further assistance you can chat with our advisor. Click on chat, take you to live. Here you can chat and you can raise the issue. And I think I don't need to show you because I already raised. Okay guys, do if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.